When you're just getting started, you actually don't need much equipment at all. All you need is a swimsuit. Now, when it comes to the actual swimsuit that you choose, there's a lot of different options out there, but the most important thing is to be comfortable. So if you're a guy and you have some swim trunks or maybe something like shorts that are good to use in the water, that'll work totally fine. If you have a jammer or a Speedo or a brief or something like that, that works as well. And on the ladies' side, same thing. You just need to be comfortable in your swimwear so that way when you get in the water, you're comfortable and you're ready to go. Okay, so we're about to get in the water now, and something that you might be considering is a pair of goggles. Now, a great pair of goggles will obviously keep the water out of your eyes, and this is something that's really important. You don't need it on your first swim, but I highly recommend getting a pair of goggles, and I'll link one of my recommended pairs in the description down below. But what you want to do is find a pair that fit comfortably on your face, and that will allow you to go through the workout without getting the chlorine in your eyes, and you can actually see what you're doing, and it'll allow you to stay in the water for much, much longer. So definitely recommend getting a great pair of goggles. Something that is a great idea, especially for the ladies, is to have a swim cap. What that does, it not only protects your hair from the chlorine, your hair still will get wet with a swim cap, so it's important to know that. But it's also gonna make you more comfortable when you swim because the hair isn't sort of getting tangled all on your face, and it's gonna get in your eyes and your goggles and in your mouth or something like that. And even for the guys, it makes you feel more streamlined in the water. Not only that, it makes you swim faster. So you don't have to wear a swim cap, but for the ladies, I strongly encourage it. And for the guys, it's something that you could consider down the road as well.